The perfect small-town family getaway is Lewiston, California. Gathering here in Trinity County for good food, local shopping, historic charm like the schoolhouse library and museum, adventures on the water, fun farm visit to see llamas, outdoor exploration with epic views of the mountains, and the perfect family-friendly place to spend an evening on the river's edge, enjoying great food and those conversations that stretch long into the evening, where you welcome the warm glow of a campfire at Lakeview Terrace with delicious s'mores. Some places you visit, Lewiston welcomes you home.